Now that we have our contact form completed, we need to create the PHP page that validates the form data and transmits it to a specified email address. Before we begin, you'll need to download a PHP library known as PHPMailer. PHPMailer is one of the most popular code libraries for sending emails from PHP. It's an open source project with integrated SMTP support. This means you can process emails without having a local mail server installed. More information about PHPMailer can be found at the link below. PHPMailer is very easy to use. First, we'll need to go to the website. On the website, you'll see a download zip button. Right-click on it and save the link on your desktop. Now I already have it saved here, so I'm going to cancel, but you can go ahead and click save. When your file is downloaded, you'll need to use an extraction utility such as WinZip to extract the folder onto your desktop. So I'll just right-click on it and use WinZip to extract the folder. And that'll take a couple of seconds. So here's the extracted folder. And once you double-click on it and open the folder, there's going to be another folder contained within it. Rename this folder to PHPMailer. Now we need to copy this folder and paste it in our perfect cup directory. And so that's all there is to it. The PHPMailer library is now ready to use. You can see all the files contained inside. And these are all the files that are used to transmit emails. So you can go ahead and close down this folder now. And in the next lesson, we will start working on the actual PHP script.